Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Lover channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off vibrations in your iPhone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to the settings app. From here go to sounds and haptics. Now in here you can see haptics right under ringtone and alerts, and haptics also means vibrations. Now from here all you have to do is tap on haptics and you'll see a few options: play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, and never play. Now if you do not want any vibration at all, or if you want to completely disable vibrations on your iPhone, then what you have to do is select never play, and this way, as you can see, haptics will not play when iPhone rings or receives an alert. And now if we go back one step and scroll down a bit, you can see that we have another type of haptics or vibration in here, which is system haptics. Now you may notice that sometimes your iPhone vibrates when you do certain things, and those are called system haptics or system vibrations. Now if you want to disable those two, just tap here and that will disable or turn off the system haptics or system vibration as well. And that is how you can disable or turn off vibrations on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.